Today I'll show you how to buy shares of Unity Software Inc. Unity builds a real-time 3D platform used in games, AR, and simulations, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker U. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. We'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker U to find Unity Software Inc. Then select the listing for Unity on NASDAQ to open the correct asset. On the Unity stock page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Make sure the listing shows Unity Software Inc. and the NASDAQ exchange before proceeding. Tap Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market opportunity. And if you lack funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirmation. After execution, your Unity position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the example platform.